Today we're going to do a minor lighting upgrade here on this Honda Accord. It's a 2010 model here, and you've seen a fair amount of these where the electrical connector for the headlamps actually gets melted. So in order to prevent that on this particular vehicle, we're going to install this high temp harness here. So first thing I need to do, I'm working on the passenger side high beam bulb here, and I'm going to simply lift the coolant overflow bottle out of the way. Now the vehicle's cool, so I'm not worried about getting burnt. This just has some slots it sits in, so very easily I can pick that up and remove it. And then I can access the high beam connector right here. So all I have to do is pinch it and release it and get it up out of the way. Now I'm going to take my new harness and plug it into place so it plugs in directly. Fortunately, this connector has not been damaged yet. And so we've got our high temp one. You can see we've got some high temp material here to help protect it. And we've got additional heavy gauge wiring here to help protect and be a conduit for some of that heat there. Now I can simply take my new end, reach it into place here. Clips directly in place. Tuck the wiring out of the way here. Now I can go ahead, reinstall my coolant overflow bottle. And next thing I'm going to do is test to verify that the system is working properly. But just like that, we've protected ourselves from an upcoming failure here. Now if I want to do it on the driver's side high beam, it's very similar. It's tucked in behind the battery. I simply remove a little cover and access that as well. Hopefully now you understand what it takes to install the high temp headlight harness on this 2010 Honda Accord.